Xander, what you working on?
Having fun trying to put this stupid clip back in so I can actually put the door panel back on.
Because, of course, it wasn't in the right way when it was taken apart.
Yeah, this door panel was just kind of hanging.
That's
You
cute.
could swing it back and forth before I took it all the way off.
Lovely. Well, as you guys have seen in the previous clips, Scotty and Xander have been busy boys this morning. John's Imperial's getting its love, finally.
Yep.
About 5 months after we did the inspection, which that's about how it is. We have so many cars to do. It's about 5 months. So anybody that wants to get stuff done, call, get it on the lift, get it inspected, get all that done here, and then that gets you in line. All right, so Xander's putting this together.
On the wood.
Oh yeah, well, Scotty's good at that stuff. So
Yeah.
John wants to fix that stuff later. We got Scotty for that, and Scotty's got that all apart, as you guys have seen. So carrying on with the fun.
Yay.
Yay!